In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link PayPal to FreshBooks. Linking PayPal to FreshBooks lets your clients pay invoices online quickly and securely, and it helps you track those payments automatically. Before we begin, make sure you're signed in to your FreshBooks account in a desktop browser and have access to a PayPal business account. If your PayPal is personal, you may be prompted to upgrade during the connection. It also helps to temporarily allow pop-ups in your browser so the PayPal window can open without interruption. Start by opening FreshBooks in your browser and signing in. Once you're in, look to the left-hand menu and click Payments. This is where FreshBooks centralizes your incoming payments and payment settings. If you don't see payments, you might be on a plan or role that hides it. Switching to an admin role usually resolves that. Inside Payments, look for the More Actions button. It's typically at the top right of the page. Click it to expand additional options that aren't visible by default. From that menu, choose Accept Online Payments. This takes you into the Payment Settings area where FreshBooks lists the available processors you can use on your invoices. Here, you'll see an option labeled Connect with PayPal. Click that. A secure PayPal window will open and ask you to sign in. Use the PayPal business credentials you want linked to your FreshBooks account. After signing in, PayPal will outline the permissions FreshBooks needs to process payments and send payment information back to your account. Review those details and approve the connection to continue. Depending on your PayPal setup, you may be asked to confirm your business details, preferred currency, and the payment methods you want to accept through PayPal, such as PayPal Balance, Bank, or cards processed by PayPal. Follow the on-screen prompts until you see confirmation that the connection is complete. Keep in mind, PayPal's standard transaction fees apply to payments processed this way. When the window closes, you'll be returned to FreshBooks with PayPal now listed under your online payment options. Make sure it's toggled on so it appears as a payment choice on your invoices. If you use multiple payment processors, you can leave more than one enabled and FreshBooks will show them on the invoice checkout. If the connection doesn't complete or you're redirected without confirmation, try allowing pop-ups, switching browsers, or signing into the correct PayPal business account. Once connected, you're all set. Your clients will be able to pay your FreshBooks invoices via PayPal, and those payments will be recorded automatically in your account.